Hey everyone, Steve here from True Market Finance. Today, I want to break down something that's really changed how I handle my day-to-day spending, something I think every Canadian needs to look at seriously. I'm talking about the Shakepay Visa Card. Now, I know there are a lot of cards out there that offer cashback, points, and rewards. But the Shakepay card is different. It gives you Bitcoin, real Bitcoin. And that makes a huge difference over time. You're not getting stuck with points that expire or rewards you never use. You're getting sats, small pieces of Bitcoin that can grow in value. You're literally stacking wealth as you spend. And listen, this isn't just for hardcore Bitcoiners or tech nerds. This card is so simple that you could give it to your grandma. I'm serious. Your grandma, your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, they can all use it and start stacking Bitcoin every time they buy groceries, fill up the car, or grab a coffee. This is for families. It's for people who want to build wealth in a system that doesn't reward savers anymore. Right now, we live in a world where the top 1% controls almost everything. They've got the assets, the power, and the control over money. But Bitcoin levels the playing field. Shakepay makes that even easier by giving you access to Bitcoin through your everyday purchases. You're using dollars, sure, but you're getting sound money back. And that's the key, sound money. Something that doesn't lose value every year like cash does. And here's what I really like. Your money on Shakepay is insured. That gives me peace of mind. You're not taking some wild risk. And if you ever need your funds, it's not locked in. You can do an Interac e-transfer right back to your bank account anytime. It's flexible, it's safe, and it's Canadian. And here's the thing, folks, this isn't just about earning Bitcoin. It's about learning how Bitcoin fits into your life. The Shakepay Visa Card is like a gateway. It gets you familiar with using Bitcoin without having to buy it directly off an exchange or deal with all the complicated stuff. You're just spending like you normally would, and the sats roll in automatically. It's the perfect way to dip your toes in and start understanding the future of money. Now, let me tell you how I use it personally. Every time I fill up the truck, I swipe that card. When I hit the grocery store, same thing. Coffee, meals on the road, even a haircut. I'm stacking sats every single time. And I'm not doing anything extra. It's passive stacking, and over time, those little bits add up, especially when Bitcoin goes up in value. I don't even think about it anymore. It's just part of my routine. The rewards go straight into my Shakepay wallet, and from there, I can transfer them to cold storage, my Jade, Cold Card, or Nunchuck, whatever I'm using at the time. And if I ever need to convert back to dollars, boom, simple e-transfer back to my regular account. Done. The beauty of Shakepay is that you're not stuck in the system. You're not relying on air miles or gift cards. You're building an asset. You're building freedom. It's like turning your debit card into a savings engine that runs in the background. I tell everyone I know, especially people just getting started, this is the easiest on-ramp into Bitcoin. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to spend like you normally do, and Shakepay Visa does the rest. You'll be surprised how much Bitcoin you rack up without even noticing. And don't forget, every time you shake your phone, you get more sats. That's right, just shake your phone once a day, and they give you a little bit more Bitcoin. It's fun. It's simple. It's a habit worth building. I do it every morning, grab my coffee, shake my phone, start my day stacking. Now, let's talk about trust. A lot of people hear Bitcoin and think it's risky or unregulated. But with Shakepay, your funds are insured like your bank account is. That's a big deal. You're not throwing your money into some sketchy offshore exchange. You're dealing with a regulated Canadian company that's built for Canadians. Your dollars are safe while you earn Bitcoin, and you have full control over your funds. Need your money? No problem. Just send it back to your bank with an e-transfer. Shakepay's not trying to trap you. It's not like those platforms where your money feels like it's locked behind a wall. You're free to move it anytime. That flexibility gives you power. And that's what this is all about, getting your power back from the system that's been draining us for years. You see, this old school money system, it's broken. Your dollars are constantly losing value. Your savings buy you less every year. Meanwhile, the top 1%, they're hoarding assets, stocks, real estate, and now even Bitcoin, because they know what's coming. But here's the truth. You don't have to be rich to play their game anymore. Shakepay puts the power in your hands. You can start small. You can use everyday purchases, stuff you were going to buy anyway, and start stacking sound money that no one can inflate or take away from you. And when you do it through this card, you're not just stacking sats, you're planting seeds. I say this to my friends all the time. Stop thinking about Bitcoin as some crazy investment. Start thinking about it as a better way to save. You're using your dollars as a tool, not a crutch. That's the mindset shift. And Shakepay Visa helps people get there without even realizing it. Now, let's get real personal with it. This isn't just about you. This is about your whole family. I mean it, your grandma, your mom and dad, your brothers, sisters, cousins, coworkers, anyone with a bank account should hear about this card. Because most people don't know there's a better way to spend money. They're still using traditional bank cards where they get nothing back, or maybe 0.5% in cash that just sits there losing value. But when you show them Shakepay, you're showing them a whole new path. One where they can take control of their money, start stacking Bitcoin, and slowly build a little wealth without doing anything different. You give someone that card, and you're not just handing them a piece of plastic, you're giving them an education. You're showing them what sound money looks like in real life. How it feels to get rewarded in something that actually holds value. And yeah, some of them might be skeptical at first. That's normal. But once they use it and see those sats hit their account, they'll get it. Then it's like, wait a second, I just earned Bitcoin buying groceries. That's when it clicks. That's when people wake up. This is how we break the grip of the 1%. Not by protesting or complaining, but by building our own system. One person at a time. One card swipe at a time. That's how we win. So share it. Talk about it. Help your family stack sats. Help your friends break free from the old financial trap. And when they ask where to start, you just show them this video. You give them your referral link. You say, here's your Shakepay Visa Card. Go stack some freedom. So here's the bottom line. The Shakepay Visa Card isn't just a rewards card. It's a mindset shift. It's about stepping outside the system that's been bleeding us dry and choosing a tool that builds you up instead of wearing you down. You're not just earning Bitcoin. You're building a safety net, a backup plan, maybe even a retirement fund, depending how long you hold onto those sats. And you're doing it all without changing a thing about how you spend. You're getting your paycheck, you're buying what you need. And instead of getting air miles or cash that loses value, you're getting Bitcoin, an asset with limited supply. No central bank. No manipulation. Just sound money built for the people. And remember, Shakepay isn't locking you in. If you need the cash, send it back to your bank. If you want a self-custody, move it to cold storage. You've got options. You're in control. That's financial freedom. So if this hit home for you, if you're tired of working hard and watching your savings shrink, then this is your chance to flip the script. Click the referral link below, grab your Shakepay Visa Card, and start stacking sats today. This is Steve from True Market Finance, who got tired of the old game and decided to play a new one. You can too. Stack sats. Stay humble. And I'll catch you in the next one. Oh, and before you go, if this video brought you value, do me a favor. Hit that like button, drop a comment if you've got questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And seriously, share this video. Send it to your mom, your dad, your sister, brother, grandma, coworkers, whoever. Let's help more Canadians break out of the broken system and start stacking Bitcoin the smart way. The more we spread this message, the more people wake up. Appreciate the support, and I'll see you in the next one.